Good morning, everyone. Is my voice is audible? Screen is visible? Yes. Okay. Yes, we'll wait for 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Wait for. Okay. Kal CBSE का result. How was your result? CBSE student. Happy with your result? कितने marks मिले? Nice. काशवी result क्या आया? Yes. Aditi. Himesh कितने मिले? 90. Aditi 88. Samar 90. Nandini 90. 81. See, Nisarga 90. Harishal 86.6. Pooja Shetty. Okay. Thank you, Sharmi. Arya 90. Very good, very good. Wow. Isha 94.6. Great. Ojas 94.6. Image. Okay, image. Let it be. Chaliye. I already said. Okay, Swayam. Nupur. Akshay. Wow, 96.6. Okay, Parth. Okay. Yes, chaliye, chaliye. Very good. Everyone, again. Finally, सबके रिजल्ट आ चुके हैं. Finally, yes. SSC, ICC, CBSE. Yes. Check. Now, student. Once again, good morning, everyone. Okay, Aditya. Yes. Yesterday we decided to solve extra questions from AP and quadratic equation. Test will receive today evening. Yes. Yesterday we decided to solve extra question from quadratic equation and this concept of the AP. But unfortunately, I didn't get time to prepare a sheet for that extra question. So coming Monday, we'll take extra question for that. Today we'll start a new chapter. Okay. Extra question बनाने के लिए time नहीं मिला था कल. So yes, test you'll receive today evening. Test you'll receive today evening. Yes. So I'll repeat what I've told. कि yesterday we have decided. See, test की topic क्या होगा हमेशा student? Suppose today is a test, so whatever we have covered till date, आज तक जो हमने cover किया उस पे test होगा. ठीक है? Okay, so I mean you have doubts. So in last 5 minutes, please ask me. So आज lecture के बाद keep out. So yes. पीयूष वही बोला ना मैंने कि आज lecture के बाद will हाँ test time evening कभी भी 4 o'clock MOOCs normal test जैसा test होगा. Test will get on your respective groups. Test will receive on your respective groups. Don't worry about test. चलिए. It's normal, Sharmali, normal अपना WhatsApp link करेगा आपको. Ayush, today is a maths paper. I hope you have received test timetable. Yes, it will be Google form. Yes, चलिए. Yes, Gandhar. हाँ. वो आपको सबको डिटेल में पता चलेगा स्टूडेंट अबाउट टेस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. यू विल गेट डिटेल ऑन योर हियर. यस, आपको नहीं मिला होगा तो प्लीज कांटेक्ट योर ब्रांच अबाउट टाइम टेबल एंड एवरीथिंग. चलिए, नाउ विल फोकस ऑन लेक्चर स्टूडेंट. नो क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन टेस्ट आप आपके ब्रांच पे कांटेक्ट कर लेना. ओके, विल नॉट वेस्ट आवर टाइम इन डिस्कशन ऑन टेस्ट. यू विल डिस्कस व्हाटएवर यू वांट विद योर ब्रांच अबाउट टेस्ट. टाइम कब आएगा कुछ. नाउ स्टूडेंट, today we are going to, yes Gandhar, I have told you in the last 5-10 minutes we'll solve all doubts. Chaliye. So now today student, we are starting new chapter. Basically it is geometry chapter from SSC board. My old student knows this. This is my one of the favorite chapter. Can you guess? My all old student know. जिनको मैंने पढ़ाया पहले, they can immediately guess. It is my favorite chapter. Yes. I got reply. I got all my old students giving me correct reply. Great. Yes. So favorite chapter is trigonometry. Yes, and definitely you'll also enjoy. Chapter name is trigonometry. So today we are going to start with trigonometry, which already you have done which all board you have done in your previous standard also. Now, what you have to do? Chali, I'll go with basic student. I'll go with basic. So now ICSE and CBSE student, you have to remember, in your syllabus, you are having application of trigonometry. आपको याद होगा तो height and distances. This you don't have in the syllabus. This you don't have in CET syllabus. For CET syllabus, we have only simple question. Yes, it is a simple question. Yes, Shravan Shinde. Yes. Chali. So now, okay. So I'll just revise a trigonometry in 5 minutes. That are sufficient. Chali. I am assuming everyone thoda basic pata hoga. Trigonometry is applicable for right angle triangles. Tri means 3 and metry means measurement. So you have to measure 3 sides or 3 angles with the help of trigonometry. So it is applicable for right angle triangle. Basically, trigonometry have different ratios. Trigonometry have 6 different ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So now, student, now each ratio have its specific value in terms of sides of triangle. For example, suppose I want to calculate all trigonometry ratio for angle C. So first we have to mark all side. अगर ये 90 डिग्री है तो इसके अपोजिट होता है हाइपोटेन्यूज. अगर ये थीटा है, ये हमारा एंगल है, तो ये होगा उसका अपोजिट वाला साइड, and the remaining will be adjacent. First mark all 3 sides. This is I'm telling you basic. Shortcut हम बाद में देखेंगे इसका करना क्या है. Now student, each ratio have one formula in terms of sides of triangle. So what you have to remember, this word is osha chota. This or yes. Osha chota means this sine, cos, tan. So now student, your sine indicates opposite upon hypotenuse. Formula for sine will be opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos will be adjacent upon hypotenuse. And tan will be O upon A. Tan will be O upon A. So this word you have to remember throughout the chapter. Osha chota. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Now student, these are exactly opposite pair. ये सारे opposite pair है. अगर sine का formula O by H है, cosec will be H by O, this will be H by A, and this will be A by O. These are the formulas that you have to remember. But student, for our question, we are not going to solve by this method. I'm telling you one more method. So please pay attention that method. These are basic formula. I hope everyone know this. Someone you have learned with the perpendicular upon base, something आपने learn किया होगा by your own way. किसी ने learn किया होगा perpendicular upon base, किसी ने किया होगा height upon base, कुछ ना कुछ किया होगा. Whatever you have learned, कुछ ना कुछ तो पता है आप सब लोगों को. So now student, important for me is set 1 formula. Okay, so please pay attention. Set 1, these are based on trigonometric identities. That identity is you have to learn as it is. Sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. This you have to learn as it is, no option. 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square. See, if anyone have any doubt, मतलब आपको पता है नहीं है तो आप लिख के जाओ side by side. You can make your own notes. जो आपको difficult लगेगा, आपको याद नहीं होगा, so you can write simultaneously with me. So these are set 1, known as identities. They are known as identities of trigonometry. Second, we required only opposite pairs. The opposite pairs are sine into cosec is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. जब भी opposite pair आपके पास आएगा, उनका multiplication 1 होगा opposite का. और suppose you have 1 upon cosec theta, 1 upon cosec है. जब भी आपके पास 1 upon something आएगा, you have to think of opposite pair. So this is set 1, set 2 formula. These are identities. identities. These are known as opposite pair. These are known as opposite pair. Now student, the last one is remaining is, last one, just wait. Yes, last one remaining is, these are the basic set 1, set 2 formula. Now last one remaining is in the form of XYR formula, in the form of XYR. Suppose student, this triangle is given. This method we are going to follow. This is known as Y, this is known as X, and this is known as R. Horizontal, Mox, it's sine into cosec A. Why I have to show sine into cos is 1? कैसे प्रूफ करेंगे हम मोक्ष? साइन इंटू कॉस 1, दिस इज साइन इंटू कोसेक, ये कॉस इंटू सेक। समझ में आ रहा है मोक्ष? वाई भी हाँ, साइन इंटू कोसेक, हाँ, तो कोसेक को मोक्ष यू कैन राइट 1 अपॉन साइन, साइन इट इज साइन साइन कैंसिल, सो आंसर इज 1. कोसेक को you can written as 1 by sine, so sin sin cancel and answer will be 1. Now student, you have to learn the formula. निशान पवार, you have to learn this opposite pair है, आपको learn करना है. Sin into cosec 1 होता है, ये opposite pair, this formula you have to learn. निशान पवार, all these are formula that you have to learn. Now student, we have to learn all formula in terms of x, y, r. So now student, r, इनका first relation is r square is equal to x square plus y square. If I apply Pythagoras theorem, so r square is equal to x square plus y square. Now I have formula students, sin theta is equal to y upon r, cos theta is equal to x by r, tan theta is equal to, yes Ishan, tan theta is equal to y by x. This formula we have to learn student. Y side x ABC लेना है, मतलब संजू from the please take side as ABC. ऐसा नहीं होता है ना, ABC नहीं ले सकते हम. These are coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. So you have to take x y. आपको ABC चाहिए तो आप ABC ले सकते हो संजू. चलिए. So student, please note down this formula. Sin theta is equal to y by r, cos theta is equal to x by r, tan theta is equal to y by x, and this relation also. We are not going to use this is angle theta. ये angle theta होता है. Now student, we are not going to use identities. We are not going to use identities for solving sin cos tan. We are going to use this table. We are going to use this table. Sin theta is equal to y by r, cos theta is equal to x by r, tan theta is equal to y by x. And the remaining pair will be exactly opposite student as decided. Cot will be x by y, sec will be r by x, and same. Cosec will be r by y. I hope everyone written this. This formula you have to learn from this. चलिए. Now the last point that will require student is trigonometry table. I hope everyone remember this 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. कैसे भी लर्न कर आपको लर्न करना है sin, cos, tan. पूरा वाला टेबल. So the sin 0 is 0. I hope everyone has done this ना. कभी ना कब तो किया होगा. Already you have done this. So just write down table for your reference student one more time. So you can refer easily while solving the question. चलिए. Sin का line you have to learn student 0 half 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1. Cos you have to write exactly opposite. यहाँ से शुरुआत करेंगे हम 1 root 3 by 2 1 by root 2 half 0. Tan is always sin upon cos. 0 upon 1 is 0. This is 1 by root 3. 1 upon 1 is 1. Root 3 not defined. So you have to learn this table student. कैसे भी learn कर लो. Whatever method, whichever method you studied in your 10th standard, follow that method and this table should be learned. Many questions will be based on this. And I will assume कि अगर आपको ये table लिखा है आपने And suppose I asking you cos 30, तो आपको पता है cos is opposite of sine, so you can take reciprocal immediately. No need to write whole table. If you have only this 3 value, I am assuming everyone can find other 3 values also. कर सकते हो ना आप लोग. So no need to write whole table. कोसेक का पूछा तो साइन के रेसिप्रोकल लेना है. सेक will be cos का रेसिप्रोकल and cot will be tan का रेसिप्रोकल. चलिए चलिए fast. We have to solve 35 questions minimum. Done. चलिए. There are some एकदम direct question होंगे student. चलिए. There are some different questions. चलिए. First question. First question. If the value of श्रेया क्या देखना है आपको? मिनट. Please show gain for minute. Okay. Please just check this, Shreya. चलिए. First question. If the value of cot theta, I'm writing here again, what they have given, cot theta plus 1 upon cot theta is equal to 2. This value is given. Then find the value of cot square theta plus 1 upon cot square theta. Everyone has given different answer. Please check this now. This thing is given to me. This thing is given to me. This thing is given to me, student, and I want to find cot square plus 1 upon cot square. So now, student, answer is not 4. So please pay attention here. Please pay attention, everyone. Chaliye, A is wrong option, student. Think logically. Now, student, ensure that I want a square. So what I'm doing, student, squaring both sides. I'm doing squaring both sides. But whenever you are going to do squaring both sides, so हमें यहाँ का जब हम स्क्वायर करेंगे cot theta plus 1 upon cot theta, it will be whole bracket square and not individual square, student. It will be whole bracket square and 2 ka square will be 4. Now, student, this is in the form of a plus b whole bracket square. So a plus b whole bracket square सबको पता है. A square. A square मतलब cot square theta plus 2ab. What is my a? Cot theta. What is my b? 1 upon cot theta plus b square. So it will be cot square theta. ये 4 as it is. ठीक है. अब मैंने क्या किया स्टूडेंट? cot theta cancel. And ये plus 2 को मैंने वहां पे शिफ्ट कर दिया. So this will give me cot square theta plus 1 upon cot square theta is equal to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. And look at your LHS. Same answer you want. Check this now. Everyone, जिन्होंने मुझे 4 आंसर दिया था, अलग अलग आंसर दे रहे थे. I hope now it is clear with everyone. Yes. Just we have to do squaring both sides, student. Squaring both sides. So this is in the form of a plus b whole bracket square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. 2 ka square 4. So this cot theta cancel from ab. Plus 2 shift kiya. Plus 2 is 2. Simple. Now, sir, my question is, suppose instead of cot, अगर आपके पास कोई भी trigonometry ratio आए, suppose tan आए, tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2. Can I say my answer for this expression will be same? Any ratio, like cos, tan, sec, कुछ भी आ जाएंगे. Every time my answer will be 2. समझ में आ रहा है ना? That shortcut you have to remember, student. That shortcut you have to remember that every time our answer will be same. Very good. Chali, I hope everyone has done the first question. Trigonometric MCQs, it will be very, very easy because you don't have any application of that. Chali, there are some questions straightforward. For example, this. How to solve this? Tan theta is equal to √3. And I want to find cosec theta. Tan theta is equal to √3. Now tell me, student, you can solve orally also. Tan theta √3 है. मतलब थीटा का वैल्यू क्या होगा आपका, थीटा का वैल्यू √3 कब होता है, 60 में होता है. सो दिस आई एम सॉल्विंग स्टेप बाय स्टेप, बट नो नीड टू सॉल्व इन एग्जाम स्टूडेंट लाइक दिस. √3 मतलब tan 60 लिख सकते हैं हम. सो tan कैंसिल, थीटा कितना होगा 60. दिस यू कैन गेस डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम फर्स्ट स्टेप by looking at your table. 60 है, I want to find cosec theta. इसका मतलब I want to find cosec 60. Cosec is opposite of sine. Sine 60 is √3 by 2. So cosec will be 2 by √3. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Everyone, these are indirect question. One value is given, second you have to find. Very good, very good, very good. I have seen some people are joining very late, so please I request everyone, please join on time. पहले का अगर आपका कुछ मिस हो जाएगा तो आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा. यस अनुष्का, आपको पता है tan ये √3 कब होता है अनुष्का? इट इज फॉर थीटा 60. tan 60 के लिए √3 होता है, तो थीटा का वैल्यू 60 हुआ, तो यहाँ पे आपको 60 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है बस अनुष्का. सो cosec 60 is 2 by √3. यस मानसी. So this is straightforward question. टेबल होना जरूरी है स्टूडेंट. tan 45 everyone know, tan 45 is 1. yes, tan 45 is 1. चलिए नेक्स्ट फास्ट करना है मैच. चलो sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. अपोजिट पेयर है, देख लो. I have told you multiplication in opposite pair is 1. Yes, sec and cos are opposite, so it will be true. Now this is important. चलिए sec theta is equal to 2 by √3. then find the value of 1 cosec theta. अब मुझे बताइए पहले थीटा का वैल्यू क्या होगा. थीटा का वैल्यू 30 होगा. देखो सेक मतलब आपको पहले देखो सेक का टेबल लर्न नहीं है ना, सो जस्ट रिमेंबर अबाउट कॉस का टेबल. इसका अपोजिट करके कि कॉस √3 by 2 कब होता है, 30 के लिए होता है, तो ये सेक का वैल्यू आएगा. सो माय थीटा विल बी, आई एम राइटिंग इन डिटेल अगेन. sec theta is 2 by √3. therefore theta is 30 degree. यहाँ तक पता चल गया मुझे, theta is 30 degree. now so I want to find 1 plus cosec theta. 1 plus cosec 30. cosec 30 आपको याद करना है, so you require sin 30. उसके अपोजिट sin 30 is 1 by 2. उसका reciprocal will be 2 by 1. so 1 plus 2 that is 3. clear है everyone? how to get values orally student. टेबल एक लर्न कर लो sin cos वाला. sin 30 के अपोजिट cosec 30 होगा तो रेसिप्रोकल होगा. just important is learning that table. चलिए please try to solve with me again. think logically. tan theta is equal to 1. cosec theta plus sec theta. first calculate value of theta. what is the value of theta student here? 45. theta का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा 45. tan theta is equal to 1. so theta 45 रहेगा. चलिए so substitute cosec theta plus sec theta. yes, cosec 45. sin 45 is 1 by √2. उसका opposite will be √2. sec का opposite cos. cos भी again value 1 by √2. so this is √2 plus √2. plus करना है, so you have to add your outside number. यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 1 है. रूट वाले नंबर कैसे ऐड होते हैं? outside number will get added. yes, so √2 plus √2 will get as 2 √2. check this. maximum question will be based on this type only. yes, done. very good. चलिए again at 60 degree sec theta cos 60 होता है हाफ. sec निकालना है ना, तो cos के बारे में सोच लो. cos 60 is half. So opposite will be this. इसका हमें opposite करना है बस. Now this is important for me. चलिए, now this is very very important for me. Think logically. यहाँ पे हमें करना क्या है? Tan theta is equal to 24/7. Find the value of cos theta. Now, maybe in your 10th standard you have solved by identity something किया होगा, कुछ ना कुछ किया होगा. Otherwise, I remember CBSE has done like this. कि tan theta 24/7 है. So you compare opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is equal to 24k. ऐसा कुछ किया होगा आप लोगों ने, है ना? But अब ऐसा नहीं करना है. This is not our regular board exam. So what we are going to do, student, here? What we are going to do here? I have told you in the form of XYR. अब मुझे बताइए student, what is the formula for tan that we have written? Tan का formula हमने क्या लिखा था? Y by X. So this is my Y, this is my X. So can we calculate first R? Easily R calculate करना है. This is the first step, so required some time, student. But after applying logic, आपको बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा ये. So this is 24 का square and this is 7 का square. 576 and this is 49. 625. R is equal to 25. R will 25. मुझे निकालना क्या है? Cos theta. What is the formula for cos theta, student? X by R. What is your X? 7. What is your R? 25. But now, student, in exam, no need to do this. Maybe you have learned your Pythagoras triplet. 24/7 है, तो last number ये 25 आएगा. अगर आपको ये पता है, so you can solve directly also ना, within half minute, less than half minute. If you know this is Y, this is X. Now, student, now, my again, see, देखो आपको logic apply करना है. No problem. We have to apply one logic here. Yes. In option, yes. Now, think logically, yeah. If I say no need, आपको इससे guess करना है, इससे guess करना है. You have this, and ये हमें नहीं करना है. So what logic you have to apply, student? That is very very important. Yes. So, for example, look at your value of X is 7. You got. Rishikesh Pythagoras and square root गए थे, R square root गए थे. R is equal to 1/625. Now, student, please pay attention. आपको X7 मिला है, Y24 मिला है, ठीक है? देखिए मेरा cos का वैल्यू कितना था? X by R. If I don't know value of R for this particular question, I want X numerator में चाहिए. What is value of X here? 7. Look at your all options. Only in one option we have numerator as 7. Are you getting this? मुझे क्या बताना है आपको? अगर हम R का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट नहीं करते, so we can save our time, and that should be our aim, to save time. You have to think logically, student. देखो सबको ये पता है कि कैसे solve करना है, but the student will solve in less time. He'll score good marks. I'm repeating. मैंने आपको क्या बताया? Tan theta we written Y by X. तो आपको ये पता है X का वैल्यू 7. अब cos theta क्या था? X by R. So it should be 7 upon something. Look at your option. You have only one option in which you have 7 upon something. समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है, चलिए, very good. So same logic try to apply in the next question also. Now this is easy. Which of the following is a correct trigonometric identity? कौन सा identity correct है? Okay, Mox. C identity is correct. It is a straightforward question. कौन सा identity correct है? Straightforward. चलिए, again straight. There are many straightforward questions, student. Cot 60. Tan 60 के बारे में सोचो. Tan 60 is √3. √3 के opposite 1/√3. टेबल आपके ऐसे पूरा सामने होना चाहिए. टेबल, that table. Yes. Now again, this is a simple Pythagorean triplet. अगर आपको पता होगा तो. Otherwise, other logic. Sin theta is equal to 3/5. Sin का फॉर्मूला होता है y upon r. y upon r. चलिए, तो मुझे x निकालना है पहले. See, these two things are known. I want to find x. I want to find x. तो पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट के हिसाब से मेरा x आएगा 4 3 4 5 is a basic triplet. So मुझे निकालना है cos theta. Cos is x by r. So it is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि 5 हाँ ओनियन सी हाइपोटेन्यूज 5 ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. देखो इसको अगर मैंने सिंप्लीफाई किया, ईशान, some students are saying in C option only we have denominator as 5, but look at this option also. So don't apply that logic. This is clear, ईशानी. अगर मैंने इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया 6 by 10 को, so I get again 3 by 5. So यहाँ पे भी तो डिनोमिनेटर 5 है ना. Yes, but वही सेम ईशान. Yes, जो आपको लॉजिक सही. Yes, yes. चलिए, complete the following identity. Simple. Sin square plus cos square is 1. Sin square plus cos square is 1. Simple one. Yes. What is the value of? What is the value of adjacent side upon opposite? Adjacent upon opposite, student. How tan? देखिए आपके पास एक सिंपल शॉर्टकट है. How formula will be of tan? Tan का फॉर्मूला होता है opposite upon adjacent. Now you want उल्टा, adjacent upon opposite. मतलब tan के उल्टा it will be cot. Formulas should be learned. Again, straightforward question. One plus cot square is equal to cosec square theta. How it will be sec square theta? 1 plus cot square, it will be cosec square theta, students. अब बताइए विदाउट सॉल्विंग. अभी तो मैंने शॉर्टकट बता दिया ना आपको. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन ऑफ दिस. सब जगह पे हम स्क्वायरिंग करेंगे, सब कुछ करेंगे. आंसर तो मिला हमें 2 ही है ना. सॉल्व क्यों करना है? Why to solve? If you are confirmed, very good. Now this is the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 holds true for values when value of theta is 90, when value of theta is 0, or when theta is acute angle for any values of theta or all values of theta. Yes, how it's 0 के लिए true करेगा? हमने ये देखा ना, sin square plus cos square theta is 1 for all values. आप कोई भी वैल्यू लो, 30 लो, 60 लो, any value student, always answer will be 1. Answer will be 1. So all values of theta. क्या शो करना है मुझे? 15. Someone want 15 question. क्या शो करना है? 15 answer is to this is standard form. Already we have seen the first question. Same वैसे हमें करना है. Answer is C. So जो जिसने मुझे not understood 15, अब first question के लिए present है क्या? जिसने मुझे reply किया not understood 50 from हड़प सर, आप present है क्या first? हाँ, तो join करके कैसे समझेगा ना? So please refer this recording. So same, this is first question है. And please join on time. Shreya, I didn't understand question number 16. Sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square plus cos square theta is 1. So this is true for all values. ना कोई भी theta लो आप, 30 लो, 60 लो, 90 लो, हर एक के लिए ये सेम होगा. हर एक के लिए सेम होगा. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. चलिए. Next. Which of the following is true? 1 upon वाला है. 1 upon वाला opposite pair ढूंढ लो. Cosec is equal to 1 upon sin. Cosec will be equal to 1 upon sin. Opposite pair. याद रखना आपको opposite pair. चलिए. At theta is equal to 30 degree. Find the values of something. चलिए. Theta 30 degree है. Sin 30. 1 plus cosec 30. Sin 30. चलिए 1 plus cosec 30. Sin 30 is half. 1 plus cosec 30, exactly opposite. So it will be 2. So half. 2 plus 1, 3. if you multiply this, so what will you get? 3 by 2. So we'll get as 3 by 2. Check. Simple question is student. Simple. Now this is something thoda sa identity based. 1 minus sine square, 1 plus tan square student. This is simple question based on identities and conversion. Students, so basic rule is whenever student you'll have this square and plus minus sign. So you have to think of identities. तो मुझे बताइए, you have basic identity student, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. तो देखिए मुझे क्या चाहिए 1 minus sin square theta. I want 1 minus sin square theta. So I'll get as cos square theta. मैंने एडजस्ट किया. 1 plus tan square is a standard formula, that is sec square theta. पर इनकी तरफ से ठीक से देखोगे स्टूडेंट आप, so these are opposite pairs, cos and sec, opposite pair. Multiplication of opposite pair is 1. Square रहो, cube रहो, कुछ भी रहो, multiplication of opposite pair will be 1. Simple. You should have basic idea of how to play with identities. So sin square plus cos square is 1. We required here 1 minus sin square. So I've shifted my sin square on the other side. So 1 minus sin square. And here we are left with cos square. So 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square. Simple. Chaliye. Cosec theta is equal to 29 by 20. Find the value of sin theta. Cosec and sin के बारे में पूछा है स्टूडेंट. कुछ ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं, कुछ हाइपोटेनस फाइंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Directly we can write. This is 20th question only. Directly opposite. Cosec and sin are opposite of each other. So it will be 20 by 29. It's 20 by 29. 19 सम क्या देखना है? This is 19 someone from Gokul Nagar. चलिए fast. चलिए I hope 19 दो ही शेप करने थे आपको. So answer is 1. चलिए. Now so what they have given to us, 8 sec theta minus 15 cosec theta is equal to 0. Find the value of cos theta. Find the value of cos theta. I said by all terms, मतलब देखो मैं क्या किया मैंने, 8 sec theta. I've shifted this here, so it is 15 cosec theta. So now student 8. I'm converting in terms of sin and cos student. देखिए क्या मिलेगा आपको, क्या कर सकते हैं देखिए इसको. Sec can be as 1 upon cos, 15 as it is. Cosec can be as 1 upon sin. Cosec can be as 1 upon sin. Now so I'm shifting all numbers on one side and trigonometric ratio. So sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 15 by 8. मैंने सारे रेशियो एक तरफ ले लिया और ये एक तरफ लिया, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा ठीक से देखना है हमें. I'll explain from first step student. 8 as it is. Sec can be as 1 by cos. I've shifted this term here. Cosec can be as 1 upon this. So now I've shifted sin here and this 8 here. So sin by cos, I'll get as tan theta. 15 by 8. Tan theta is what? 15 by 8. Now I want to find cos theta. So tan का फॉर्मूला क्या था? Y upon x. Tan का फॉर्मूला था y upon x. चलिए तो मुझे क्या निकालना है? cos theta. Cos will be x by r. Can you tell the answer without calculating anything? How it will be option B? कुछ कैलकुलेट नहीं करना है, भरत, think logically. Tan theta we got a 15 by 8. Tan theta is y by x. Y by x. X is your 8. Y is 15. Cos is x by r. So it should be x 8 upon something ना. क्या आंसर दे रहा हूँ मुझे? B C कहाँ से आएगा ऑप्शन? श्रेया कहाँ से 15 ला रहे हो आप? 8/17. चलिए, आई होप एवरीवन हैज डन दिस. समझ में आया सबको व्हाट लॉजिक वी हैव टू अप्लाई? जस्ट आई कंपेयर द वैल्यू ऑफ x. मुझे x का वैल्यू मिल गया, मुझे चाहिए था x by r. No need to calculate r also. No need to calculate r also. यस, करो ना, ये कर लो आप. पाइथागोरस से अप्लाई करो. r का वैल्यू r square is equal to x square plus y square. Do squaring in this, you get 17. But no need to calculate here 17 ना. करना क्या है हमें पता है ना कि only in one option we have 8 as numerator. समझ में आ रहा है? यस यस. भूमि से कहाँ पे डाउट है? भूमि विच शेप? भूमि देखिए यहाँ पे, यहाँ तक क्लियर भूमि आपको? tan theta is 15/8 भूमि. So now भूमि I just compared कि tan का फॉर्मूला what we have learned y/x. तो मुझे x का वैल्यू मिला 8, y का वैल्यू मिला 15. ठीक है, यहाँ तक. मुझे निकालना था cos थीटा. सो मैंने cos का फॉर्मूला भूमि I have is x/r. So what is x भूमि? x is 8. Forget about r. Look at your all option in which you have 8 upon something. So we have Bhumi only one option in that we have 8 upon something. So this is my correct answer. समझ में आ रहा है भूमि? Yes. Rushikesh, these are opposite pair. Sec can be written as 1 upon cos. Cosec can be written as 1 upon sin. चलिए, this one. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Yes, they are opposite pair. Yes, they are opposite pair. So we can write as 1 upon. Yes. Now this one. Cot theta is equal to 40/9. Find the sin theta. Cot theta का फॉर्मूला क्या कर लोगे आप? सुनो. If you don't know cot theta, I write tan theta. इसका opposite 9/40. ना इसका फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? y/x. चलिए, what I want to find students, sin theta. Sin theta is y/r. Compare. What is value of y here? Y equal to 9 है. So you want one option in which you have 9 upon something. So we have only one option. So this option. Is this clear now, Bhumi? Can you apply same logic here? मैंने cot से पहले tan निकाला. Yes, चलिए. Everyone, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, we have two options. Very good. Good questions. Good question. We have two options. Okay. Just wait. Wait. Yes, we have two options, student. यहाँ पे. But now, student, again think logically. Think logically again, student. I want y/r. R is my hypotenuse. R is my hypotenuse. How to find R? मतलब मैंने formula लिखा है ना? R square is equal to x square plus y square. Now again, हाँ, but क्या लिखा है? 40 is x. तो क्या करूँ मैं 40 is x का? हाँ. So, but tan will be 9/40. I don't know. So please pay attention now. Student, R मतलब होता है hypotenuse. आर्या मैंने कहाँ पे लिखा है? R 40 है, X 40 है ना? R is 41. Look at here, आर्या मोकाशी. X 40 है, तो मैंने कहाँ पे लिखा है आपको? R 40 है. Okay, student, just please pay attention here, everyone. हाँ, okay, हाँ, okay, logic. अब मुझे बताइए स्टूडेंट मुझे बताइए, R hypotenuse होता है. Can I say hypotenuse will be longest side of triangle? Longest side, na? So which number is greater, 40 or 41? 41 is a greater. 41 is a greater. Yes. And already second logic, you have applied x is equal to 40. अगर आपने x 40 किया है, तो R 40 नहीं हो सकता. R 40 नहीं हो सकता. X and R should not be same. वो same नहीं हो सकते. So my option will be D. Everyone understood? Yes, Devi. Yes. चलिए. Now this is something important based on Okay. Okay. Yes. Select the correct option. 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. चलिए हम क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट? We will do now here rationalize. Very good, Girish. Ishwari, very good. I'll rationalize here. Sec theta plus tan theta. This is again sec theta plus tan theta. Numerator को multiply कर दो student. 1 into this will be same. Sec theta plus tan theta. Denominator you have student a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. So which is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. I have told you when you will have square and plus minus sign, take help of identity. We have an identity student. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. Rearrange according to your way. We want sec minus tan, shift this. So 1 is equal to sec square minus tan square. So sec theta plus tan theta. Sec square minus tan square is 1. So option number D. Check this. Indicate option number D. Sec theta plus tan theta. Yes, very good. Very good. चलिए next. Yes, Moksha. चलिए 5 cos theta minus 12 sin theta is equal to 0. I'll shift this here. So 5 upon cos theta is equal to 12 upon sin theta. Now shift your all numbers on one side and ratios on one side. So sin theta upon cos theta, 12 as it is, shift your 5 here. So 12 by 5. Now you know student, yes Ishwari, sin by cos is tan theta. Tan theta is 12 by 5. Tan matlab y by x. Tan matlab y by x. Chaliye, I want to find sec theta. Sec is opposite of cos. Sec is opposite of cos. Cos का formula क्या आता है student? Cos theta is x by r. So this will be r by x. I hope you know Pythagorean triplet. अगर r मतलब third side होगा, so it will be 12 है 5 है. So according to Pythagorean triplet, it will be 13. So look at as 13 by 5. Check this, same logic. Done everyone? Use what is in question number 24. Please take screenshot. चलिए. Done Piyush for 24. चलिए. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Sin is y by r. So according to Pythagorean triplet, x should be 4. x आपको 4 मिल जाएगा. निकालना क्या है? tan theta. Tan theta is equal to y by x. Y by x. So 3 upon something. Sorry. Correct option? No, just wait. Tan theta is y by x. Okay, didn't get it. Okay, chaliye, I'll solve. Devika, what is the formula for sin theta? Sin theta is y by r. Sin theta is y by r. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem here to get r, x का वैल्यू क्या मिलेगा आपको? क्या मिलेगा देविका? x का वैल्यू according to Pythagorean triplet, what you'll get? 4 मिलेगा, x का वैल्यू आपको 4 मिलेगा. Now what you want to find? Tan theta. This formula for tan theta, y by x. What is my y, student? Y is 3, x is 4. So answer is 3 by 4. What is Devika? Simple. Same logic apply here now. चलिए, cos theta is equal to 12 by 13. बेसिक पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट आपको पता होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट. 5, 12, 13 का होता है. cos is x by r, so y will be 5, remaining side will be 5. पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट है 3 साइड्स का. अब cot थीटा निकालना है. cot is opposite of tan. tan का फॉर्मूला y by x, so this will be x by y. check. चलिए डन, वेरी गुड. नाउ सिंपल वाला प्रूफ है. आप सब लोगों ने कभी तो पढ़ा होगा ये कि रूट वाला. हम क्या करते थे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में? रूट में when we have to prove this, what we used to do, rationalization. चलिए, important is now किसको हम rationalize करेंगे? न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर. तो going to rationalize numerator or denominator? As denominator, yes. So it will be 1 plus sin x. चलिए, now when you rationalize this, student, the numerator form of 1 plus sin x full bracket का square, 1 plus sin x into 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x whole bracket का square, divided by, student, now this is in the form of a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, it's a square minus b square. So 1 का square 1, this is sin square. So now this is 1 plus sin x whole bracket square, 1 minus sin square is cos square x. Square root cancel, student. So what will get here finally? 1 plus sin x upon cos x separate. So 1 upon cos x, sin x by cos x, sec x plus tan x. Check this. Rationalize करना है आपको सिर्फ. Already you have done this in proving questions in your 10th standard. Same type की questions हर एक exercise में दे same. Irrespective of board, everyone has done this. Same question. चलिए, done. Yes. चलिए, complete the following. Cosec theta is equal to, someone is saying A, someone is saying B. Cosec theta hypotenuse upon cosec, yes, sin के opposite ना. Sin का होता है opposite upon hypotenuse. So cosec will be hypotenuse upon opposite. Simple. Just the opposite formula. देखिए, बहुत टाइम सेम क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे. सेरीना, कौन सा शेप? यहाँ पे आपको डिनोमिनेटर सेपरेट करना है. सेरीना, 1 by cos मतलब सेक होता है, sin by cos मतलब tan होता है. यहाँ पे मैंने डिनोमिनेटर सेपरेट किया. सेरीना, सेपरेट योर डिनोमिनेटर. So 1 by cos, sin by cos. 1 by cos is sec, sin by cos is tan. Got this, Serena Patore? चलिए स्टूडेंट, tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. What is my standard form of tan? Y by x. Y by x. There is a Pythagorean triplet, student. 5, 12, 13. So remaining number is 13. Remaining alphabet is this. So r is equal to 13. अब मुझे क्या निकालना है? cos theta. cos का फॉर्मूला होता है x by r. x is 12, 13. चेक दिस, डी ऑप्शन मिलेगा सबको। इतना स्पीड, इतना प्रैक्टिस कर लो कि विद इन 15-20 सेकंड यू कैन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट। सेम टाइप के कितने क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं हम। चलिए ना स्टूडेंट, फाइंड द सेक क्यू। देखिए पहले साइड मार्क कर लो, ये 90 डिग्री है, इसके अपोजिट हाइपोटेन्यूज। एंगल क्यू यहाँ पे दिया है, दिस इज माय अपोजिट and this will be my adjacent. What I have to calculate now student, I want to find sec q. Sec is opposite of cos. Yes, sec is opposite of cos. Cos का होता है adjacent upon hypotenuse. So hypotenuse upon adjacent. So hypotenuse is given as AC, adjacent is given as BC. So option number A. Simply mark yes. Questions? Yes, चलिए A. Now student, I'll open one more sheet, just wait. Okay. So first tell me, everyone यहाँ तक सबको clear है? Now I have to take doubts from AP and quadratic, और इससे में किसी के डाउट हो गए तो यहाँ तक सबको clear है? Everything today whatever we have done. Now student, I want your doubts one by one. We'll open the sheet. देखिए जिसको डाउट हो गया वो रुक सकते हैं, other students can leave. पहले मुझे बताओ ये शीट में से किसी को कुछ डाउट है? फ्रॉम दिस शीट किसी को कौन सा क्वेश्चन करना था, नहीं करना था? चलिए वेरी गुड। नो 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 ओके, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन एक्स वाई आर? स्वर्णिम क्या एक्सप्लेन करना है? प्लीज शो क्वेश्चन नंबर 30। ये 30 का क्वेश्चन है। हाँ, लुक एट दिस 30 का क्वेश्चन। यस, आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड यू दिस पीडीएफ। यस, सो स्वर्णिम एक्स वाई, हाँ वाई फॉर्मूला लर्न करना है स्वर्णिम आपको। ओके ओके, जस्ट वेट, हर एक इतने सारे आए, जस्ट वेट। यस, सो साइराज हम क्लास ले रहे हैं 10:30 तक की होगा क्लास। आपके डाउट सॉल्व करना है ना साइराज? हाँ, इफ यू डोंट हैव साइराज डाउट यू कैन लीव दिस मीटिंग, है ना साइराज? हाँ, वेट, पहले एक एक डाउट क्लियर करने दो। ये 1930 में किसको डाउट था? 30 क्वेश्चन किसी को चाहिए था? देख लो एक बार ये। हाँ, चलिए 19 क्वेश्चन। ओके 19 क्वेश्चन। अगर आपको डाउट नहीं है then you can leave the meeting ना। I'm solving doubt. If you want to see other doubts, so wait. So just wait. अगर डाउट है आपको तो वेट कर लो ना, just wait. चलिए 19 में डाउट था, just wait. चलिए 19 में डाउट था, 19। What is doubt in 19? चलिए please, I'm not going to entertain now question where you will get test, where you will get PDF. For everything, whatever you want, recording, PDF, everything, you have to contact your branch. I'm telling you. Yes. So 19 questions, जिसको भी doubt था, please pay attention. And for AP, just wait for 5 minutes. After that, we will solve doubts of AP. Aditya, whatever you have covered till today's date, everything will be there. चलिए ओके अनिकेत, यस चलिए 19 में जिसको डाउट था, I have basic identity sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square. Cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square. So now look at here what they have given. 1 minus sin square, in other bracket 1 plus tan square. Now 1 minus sin square, what I already have, 1 minus sin square is cos square. 1 plus tan square is sec square. Identity 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square is the identity. Now student, cos and sec opposite pair है, cos and sec opposite pair है, and opposite pair का multiplication होगा 1. So यहाँ पे आंसर मिल गया मुझे 1, जिसको था। Yes, Sanket, how to remember? Okay, yours is 28. 28 question. What is out in 28? Okay, Bhumi, just wait. 28. Yes, Sanjay, just wait. Yes. देखो आप इतने मैसेज करोगे तो कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा. Just wait. If I'm answering some questions, so please wait. Otherwise, your message read नहीं होगे आपके. I hope everyone understanding.